Welcome to Simple, Slow English. Today, we will learn step by step. Just relax and follow my voice. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I stop at the shop. I stop at the shop after work. I stop at the shop on my way home. I stop at the shop on my way home after work. Sentence 2. You pick up a package. You pick up a package at the post office. You pick up a package in the afternoon. You pick up a package at the post office in the afternoon. Sentence 3. She buys some medicine. She buys some medicine at the pharmacy. She buys some medicine for a cold. She buys some medicine at the pharmacy for a cold. Sentence 4. He books an appointment. He books an appointment online. He books an appointment this morning. He books an appointment online this morning. Sentence 5. We pay a bill. We pay a bill on our phone. We pay a bill at lunchtime. We pay a bill on our phone at lunchtime. Sentence 6. They send a message. They send a message to the manager. They send a message after the meeting. They send a message to the manager after the meeting. Sentence 7. I return an item. I return an item to the shop. I return an item today. I return an item to the shop today. Sentence 8. We take the train. We take the train into town. We take the train on Saturday. We take the train into town on Saturday. Sentence 9. She meets a friend. She meets a friend for coffee. She meets a friend in town. She meets a friend for coffee in town. Sentence 10. They do the shopping. They do the shopping for the week. They do the shopping on Sunday. They do the shopping for the week on Sunday. You built one sentence. You can listen again. I am here with you.